Hi kids, and today we're gonna make a melting pumpkin and elephant toothpaste. Yeah.
So here's the pumpkin Oliver carved yesterday.
Yeah.
The ingredients that you need are dry yeast, some food coloring, a cup that's gonna go inside the pumpkin, some dish soap, some hydrogen peroxide, and some warm water. So Daddy or Mommy has to pour the hydrogen peroxide into the cup. Okay. That's 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide.
I think we're gonna make a pumpkin.
It's gonna be kind of like a pumpkin. But this one you can't touch, remember?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I mean, you can touch the pumpkin, you just can't touch this stuff when it comes out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, tell me when I got it back there.
Okay. Okay, so now carefully, hopefully, put the cup into the pumpkin.
There.
Okay. Now
We're gonna make a pumpkin.
you get to put in 2 tablespoons of dish soap into that cup. Think you can do it?
Yes,
So
we can do it.
hold this here.
Did they get some more land in the pumpkin?
So you need 2 tablespoons. So there's 1. You got it, see? Okay, ready for 2?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hold it a little bit more flat, please. Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what?
Now, you have to put the yeast into a bowl.
Yeah. And then do you put it in and it explodes?
After you add the water to it, yeah.
So
I think we need scissors.
I think I got it back away now. And we gotta add the water, right?
Now we add the warm water to it and we gotta mix it for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna need you to count to 30. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Now you're gonna wanna come stand by Daddy, okay?
Why?
Because we're gonna,
I want to stand over here.
nope, you're not. You're gonna wanna see it from this side, Bubba.
Yeah, come stand over here so you can see the face.
If it works, I'm not sure if it will. Oh, not enough.
Whoa.
You can kind of see it pouring through the...
That is cool.
That cool?
Yeah.
Don't touch it though, okay? You
Why?
can touch the pumpkin, just not the foam.
Why?
Because it's hot, it's a reaction. It cools down quickly, but you still don't want to touch it. All right. Thanks. That was elephant toothpaste in a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get it to come out his mouth. Is it coming?
Yeah, it's coming out. He's spitting. He's spitting, Mommy.
Look.
He's spitting.
Look, Ollie.
He's spitting.
He's spitting up purple foam.
Yeah.
Bleh.
Blue. Blue.
Look.
What?
Bleh.
Blue.
Look, it's kind of coming out his nose too.
Yeah. It's kind of coming out his nose, too.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can dump the cup.
He's snotting it out and
Look.
spitting it out.
Look, look, look.
Mommy, he's snotting and spitting it out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
that pretty cool?
Yeah, so cool.
A few moments later.
Hi again, kids. And right now we're gonna do melting pumpkin.
So you guys have seen this experiment before, but this time I shaped them into little pumpkins and stuck little pipe cleaners in them. And now Oliver's gonna add some vinegar and see what happens.
Are there colors inside them?
No,
No, what's in
they're already orange. There's nothing in them. It's just a fun experiment.
Oh, cool.
Try to break apart the pumpkins.
Yeah.
They're melting.
Melting pumpkins. The pumpkins are melting.
Whoa.
Wow.
That was pretty cool. Do that again. Put it right into that hole.
Whoa.
Wow.
Kids, the melting pumpkins.
Is that pretty cool?
Hmm?
Another fun Halloween experiment?
This is really fun. So kids, never touch this stuff at home, okay kids?
That was nice, Bubba.
Because it is really hot.
Well, it's not hot anymore, but it's hydrogen peroxide foam.
Oops.
Sorry.
Whoa! Whoa!
If you'd like to dump the rest of it on whichever one you want, you can.
Whoa!
Good job. Is that cool?
Yeah. Bye for now, kids. And remember, I say have a rest. Bye. I say bye to boy. And these pumpkins. Bye bye.